Hello again. I'm going to show you out in my backyard my outdoor harbor breeze with these pretzel arms. Pretty interesting. We wired this whole wire right here. We put double switches in here. This top one goes to pull light. I'll show you this first. This bottom one goes to the floodlight. Okay. This indoor one goes to the fan. I will turn it on. Can't you see the fan? The light is coming on. Low speed. On the arms. And those blades on these pretzel arms are made out of wood. I'll turn the light off. I don't know why I turned the switch off. That's low speed on. That's low speed power. And I'm gonna go directly high, so you can see the way fan goes. No sound either. I mean, this thing was installed. It wobbles a little bit on high. This fan's some good winds. Pretty neat fan. And yes, Jeremy is now on media. I like it. My mom loves it out here, and we come out here in during when it's raining out and run the fan, and we enjoy it now. And we're probably not gonna leave it on low every time. I'll put it back on high and this summer, and this is the burst of lights. We'll turn it off. The claw. Show you pole decorations right here, and I'm gonna show you our setup here. Got our grill over here. It's our table, my fan, so pretty neat. And we're installing it, and also we have a plug down here, man. And also we're installing a fly here sucker on here, and we're probably gonna. My dad's probably just gonna land it here, over here, around the pole, or near the fence. pretty neat fan. I'll turn it off. Kind of get up on the chair and show you. This is pretzel, and right here, see, pretzel. And we got that metal on top of the thing to keep the fan from falling down from the ceiling. And we're probably gonna. And then we don't have to worry about it. It's got screwed up there. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Goodbye.